Commissioning three-phase asynchronous motors often gets complicated. Traditional switching devices like contactors take up a lot of space, are prone to errors, and wear out quickly. And if you also need to reverse the direction of rotation, protect the motor, or have variable speeds, things get really complex. Especially when complex frequency inverters have to be configured for simple applications, for example in intralogistics or material handling. Phoenix Contact has just the right products for this. With the Contactron Speed Starter, you can configure three-phase asynchronous motors up to 7.5 kilowatts in just 2 to 3 minutes, including separate acceleration and deceleration ramps, safe shutdown, motor protection, and up to 4 fixed speeds. If you just want simple starting and reversing, the Contactron Hybrid Motor Starter is perfect. Thanks to hybrid technology, you can start, reverse, and protect motors without wear. And all of this with just 22.5 millimeters installation width in the control cabinet. Safe shutdown included. With the Hybrid Motor Starter, which, by the way, was invented by us, you not only save space, but also reduce wiring effort. That's the error rate. The simple commissioning, especially with the Speed Starter, ensures that you spend less time and money on training or service. Does this solution fit your challenge? Then just follow the link in the video description and visit us on our homepage.